love having burger night at my house because they're simple to make and everyone loves them. The probe is my secret weapon when it comes to cooking beef burgers, even plant-based burgers, plus steaks, chops, and fish. Using a probe helps make sure your food is at a safe temperature and cooked the way you like it. I have my grill plates in and I'm setting the temperature of the plates to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the probe to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium burger. Once preheated, I'll place the probe into my burger and keep it there the entire time it cooks on the grill. I'll insert it into the side of the meat into the thickest center area. This is because the temperature sensor is at the tip of the probe. When using the probe with steak or other meats, be sure to insert the probe away from any fat or bone. The probe works best in meat or fish that's at least a ½ inch thick. This is so it can get the most accurate read of the food and not of the plates. I'll place the burgers on the grill, close the top plate, and adjust it on the side so it just touches the meat. This will give me great grill marks without smashing the burgers. The program will stop after it reaches the temperature. You'll hear 5 long beeps and the display will read end. I'll remove my burgers to let them rest. Now, it's important to note that once I remove the burgers from the grill, they'll continue cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes, so it's super important to let them rest. I like to remove it from the heat about 5 degrees before it reaches the temperature I want, in this case, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Resting will also let those juices redistribute throughout the meat, giving me juicier, more delicious burgers. You can even use the top-bottom button and the top melt position to melt some cheese on your burgers. So dinner is made, and I know it will be awesome.